Okay, if you know, you know. You get on a cruise ship, you forget to bring your own lanyards, and then you're stuck buying the overpriced ones that they offer in the lobby, and they are ridiculously expensive, and the line always takes forever. So instead, grab yourself a pack of these adorable lanyards. I love that they have the plastic sleeve already at the bottom, so you can slide your cruise card in there. And then with the clip, it is detachable so that you can hand it right over in the gift shop or in a restaurant so they can scan it, never having to even take the lanyard off your neck. If you know, you know, these lanyards will save you so much time, so much money, so that you can focus on having a great time with your family and enjoying your vacation without wasting money on items that you could have bought in bulk before you went. Thank you so much to the brand for sending these to me so that I could review them. As it turns out, I purchased this same set to take on a cruise with my family just about 6 months ago. So the proof is in the pudding. Get a pack of these, check out my link below, and thanks again.